time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit
that bell so that each and every time I upload, you'll be notified. And if you've been riding with me for this whole entire time, welcome back. So today, what I have for you is my Boxy charm right here. So I will be the first to admit that I am super late with this, for the simple fact of I have been procrastinating, like literally procrastinating on getting this uploaded and everything. So yeah, about that. But anyway, neither here nor there, right? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get this done and taken care of, and we're gonna move on to the next video. So this is the February Boxy charm, February 2019 Boxy charm. And so for those of you that aren't familiar with Boxy charm, it's basically a cosmetic subscription type box that you can pay for each month. And they will send you 5 products, full-size products that is, each month. This one in particular happened to be what they call the Afterglow box. And so basically this is what it is. If you go online to the website, you can sign up, and I will put the description down below so that you can see it. But if you go online and you sign up and you let them know how often you want to receive your box and everything like that, and basically that's it. And then if you refer people, if they utilize your link, of course you will get some type of commission for that. So therefore we all win by doing it. So in this box, like I said, you normally get about 5 full-sized products. And this one right here looks like this. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. But before we get started, I want to say, do y'all see this? Do you see what I am in front of? Yes, your girl is moving up in the world. I got a green screen, and this is my very first time actually using it. So we're going to just see how it goes. But anyway, back to the story. So for this month, it says Afterglow. That's what this box is. And I'm already happy with this box because for the simple fact it has one of my most favorite products in here from one of my most favorite brands. And that is Too Faced, and it is the Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I can tell you something. This mascara is like thebomb.com. It is a very good mascara, and it's one of those ones that I can actually say, if you're a person like me and you don't like to wear lashes, well, I won't say that I don't like to wear lashes. I actually do, but I just don't know how to put them on. I don't know how to put lashes on. And so I've tried it on numerous occasions, and I have failed. I failed putting lashes. I ended up, poking my eyeball out, trying to put some lashes on. So I just gave it up. But anyway, if you're like me and just ignorant to how to put lashes on, then Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced is definitely that one that can give you the look of like you're wearing lashes. Today, I'm not wearing Better Than Sex mascara. I'm actually wearing one by Maybelline. But this one right here is definitely a go-to if you're the person that like the look of lashes, but you just can't apply them. Remember, you heard it here with me first. So again, that's Better Than Sex mascara that I got in my February Boxy charm. The second product that I have here, it says it's Pretty Vulgar, a Shimmery Swan highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique, velvety, smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflectant, and pearlescent pigment. The highlighter will give you highlighter will give you your skin the perfect amount of brightness. So that's Pretty Than Vulgar, and it retails here according to this for $32, and it's a highlighter. So let's see right here. This is it. Like I said, it's Shimmery Swan is the name of it, and it is by Pretty Vulgar. And let's see what we're working with. Oh, so I don't know if you can see, but it does look pretty good. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So it is all right. It is not the best. I have most definitely seen better. But however, highlighter, it works. And again, like I said, this is one called Pretty Vulgar. And well, it's by Pretty Vulgar. And it's called Shimmery Swan Highlighter. And it retails for $32. So the next product, it says Touch and Sol No Problem Primer. So create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Sol No Problem Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. And this is one that actually retails for $18. So again, this is a primer, and it calls it Porblum. So pore, you get it, pore, blum, problem. So it's Porblum. So it takes care of your pores allegedly. I don't know. Maybe it do, maybe it don't. But however, this is it. No Porblum Primer by Touch and Sol. And it is, again, it retails for $18. So that's product number 3. Product number 4 is what they call Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, which is very good. If you're a makeup wearer, then you definitely know how important it is to have a cleanser for your skin. Because wearing this makeup and everything, yeah, there's some great primers out there that fill in your pores and things of that nature, but at the end of the day, you most definitely want to come out of that. You want to get your skin cleansed, you want to have your pores opened, and you want to just let them air out and things of that nature. So this is Pharmacy. It says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. So if you have sensitive skin, apparently this is one that's good for you. I can't testify because I have never used it. I am just finding out just like you are. This is my first time seeing it. So it is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice roots. I don't know, but okay. However, so this is it right here. It's Pharmacy, and it's a Clean Bee. It says Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I, again, can't testify to this because I have never used it. Again, you know as well as I do that I am just opening up my box. So this is my first time even seeing this. So I got on some makeup now. I will most definitely use it. As a matter of fact, maybe I could do a video like my cleansing routine to cleanse my face and use this or something like that and see how it works. So again, that's by Pharmacy, and it's called the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. And last but not least, there's a product called by Trestique, and it says it's Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. And again, this is by Trestique, and it's called Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. It's a Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon. So apparently, it's two-sided. This is the primer down here. The primer, let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a little primer that you use. For those of you that don't know, primer, you will put on your lips. It gives you more of a vibrant color, and it gives you more of a smooth foundation to put your lipstick on, and it helps your lipstick allegedly last longer and adhere to your lips better. So that's the intent of having a lip primer. So at the bottom of this two-sided pencil is a primer, and you just stick it back on like that. And so the next part is right here, and it's a pencil that you can twist up, and let's see how much product's in this pencil. Oh, not bad, not much, but it's not bad at the same time. So it's a pencil that you can use. So first you will want to prime, and let's see the color. I'm gonna roll it back down some so I can actually see what this color looks like. Oh, it's pretty. It's kind of like the color is English Rose is the name of it. So I don't know how well you can see that. But it's actually a pretty color, and it's something that I do believe that I would most definitely wear. So again, that is my February Boxy Charm, and it came with 5 full-size products. Here is the 2-sided primer and lip pencil. Here is the Gentle Cleansing Oil. This is the Pore Problem Primer, along with the Better Than Sex Mascara, and also the Pretty Vulgar Shimmery Swan and the highlighter. So you got you a highlighter, a mascara, a primer, a cleanser, and a lip pencil with primer. So not bad for, you know, the price that you can get this for. So again, I want to thank every one of you for coming and viewing my video. I'm sorry that I was super late with this product, but however, you better late than never. So again, if this is your first time viewing my channel, please make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, jingle that bell, so you will be notified each and every time your girl upload. And for those of you that have been with me from the beginning, which hasn't been very long, only almost 2 years. No, actually 2 years going on 3. So my bad. 2 years going on 3. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please make sure you share, comment, and subscribe. And if you receive Boxy Charm as well and you got these products, spam my comments, spam my comments, spam my social media. I am on Instagram as Glammed by Jay. I'm also on Twitter as Glammed by Jay. I'm on Facebook as Glammed by Jay. So please make sure you go ahead and spam me. Let me know what you think about this product and the things that you got in your box for the subscription. And as always, like I always say, be yourself, do what you love, and until next time, see you soon.